Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today we'll be sharing our top tips for decorating with white. Serene, versatile and timeless, white interiors provide the illusion of a larger and brighter space, maximising natural light while soothing the mind. The key to creating a white interior that's cosy and inviting is through the layering of different texture-rich materials, shapes and sizes, along with select decorative items that tell a story of what you love the most. When selecting your base colour, observe how the white appears in different aspects of the room, different times of the day, and where both your natural and artificial lights fall. There are thousands of whites to choose from, with different undertones, some that are warm and yellow and some that are cool and blue, and everything in between. Once you've selected your wall paint, I like to continue the same tone in my woodwork, doors, and even the ceilings. One of the benefits of a white space is that your existing texture, patina and raw materials come to life. Add dimension and character to your space by accentuating your home's architectural details. Floor-to-ceiling paned windows, coffered or shiplap ceilings, ornate railings and wooden beams will add character and visual interest by manipulating where the light falls in the space. Installing mouldings, panelling, skirting boards and cornices will provide a frame to showcase your artwork and form a statement of their own. A white colour palette affords the opportunity to showcase different furniture pieces, mixing modern items with time-worn antiques and classic collectibles. Experiment with different shapes, sizes and forms, paying attention to the curvature, carvings and lines to add sculptural interest. In a white home, layering a variety of textures, finishes and materials is where the transformation occurs. Depth and contrast comes through exposed brick, ironwork, rattan, marble and soft furnishings of cotton, linen and wool. Pay attention to the reflectivity and quality of certain materials, incorporating items with sheen, patina, matte or distressed finishes. The beauty lies in the detail, from the lace detailing and embroidery on your sheets to natural imperfections seen in woven rattan baskets, reclaimed timbers and aged metals. Sculptural light fixtures are another way to add interest and intrigue to a white home, and the opportunity to reflect your chosen decor style. Oversized ceiling pendants, crafted from paper, shell, jute and jersey, look great in a coastal home. Enamelled iron pendants and vintage chandeliers make a bold statement in a Scandinavian or relaxed country home. Add patterns and shape with flooring. Herringbone floorboards, marble and geometric tiles offer endless options for subtle depth and dimension. If you want to keep with a strictly white palette, whitewashed floorboards or polished white concrete are low maintenance options, and the natural wear and tear adds a rustic lived-in feel. Rugs are another way to tie your design together. If your selected furniture includes rattan pieces or lighter woods, opt for rugs with similar weave pattern and natural hues. White is the perfect backdrop for showcasing a collection of paintings, photographs, wall art and sculptures. Maximise the feeling of spaciousness with wall-mounted or leaning mirrors, which work with a white backdrop to add a spacious, expansive feel to your home through their ability to reflect light throughout the room. When accessorising, select items that are sentimental, organic, natural and contain lustre. Sheen is especially important in a white home, as it will keep the space from looking flat and one-dimensional. Consider mouth-blown glass vases, display boxes, glossy ceramics, mirrored trays and candle holders for lustre. For further texture, add natural decor items such as coral, pebbles, bowls of shells, acorns and driftwood. To complete the look, plants and greenery add a gorgeous freshness year-round and are a great colour accent. Position larger plants such as fiddle leaf figs, cacti and potted plants in bare corners and nooks. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these styling tips in your own home. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.